Facebook account disabled long time. Try this new 2026 appeal trick. If your Facebook account has been disabled for 2 or 3 months, you can try this method. You have sent in multiple appeal, but these guys are not responding or you are not getting proper help. Just watch my video completely till the end because this may be a solution to this specific problem. So if you want to unban your account which has been banned for quite some time, you are sending the appeal to the correct place. I mean, if you are sending the appeal through a form after you log into Facebook account and expect to get a response, sometimes you do, but most of the time you do not get a positive response. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and try see if you could unban your account, send an email to these 3 email addresses that are most effective. So the first email address, if you have not received a resolution with 2 or 3 days of your first appeal, please appeal again by a second email address. If you have not received a resolution with 2 or 3 days, if your second appeal, please appeal again by a third email address. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.